Our next segment reveals insider secrets to dodge those automotive landmines and drive away with confidence. Luke's Auto can evaluate and give you some knowledge that could save you thousands.
One of the things that makes us stand out is our warranty. A lot of shops are 1 year, 12,000 mile warranty. We're 5 year, 50,000 mile warranty. So for a lot of people, purchasing a car is going to be one of the most expensive purchases they make. So it's important. If it's a used vehicle, we recommend that you bring it in and have it inspected. We're going to look at the car from top to bottom, and we're going to check even like the history of the maintenance on the vehicle. Normally we're going to find something on the car, whether it's maintenance that's been deferred or safety issues or things that are maybe coming up on in the future. You can bring that to the person you're buying the car from and use it as a negotiation tool. It's definitely a good idea to get an inspection, whether we're telling you don't buy this car or we're letting you know that it has some repairs and you should try to negotiate with the seller to get a discount on it. You can find us at lukesautoservice.com, and you can give us a call at 614-885-2880.